Hi guys, so happy 7th of Ramadan. So today we will be making a cheese and herb pasta spaghetti. And again, the recipe is in the description box below. The ingredients are spaghetti, sausage or any kind of meat you had, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of water, and Prego cheese and herbs. For the spaghetti, first add water into a pot. Second, put the spaghetti in it. Then add some oil and add some salt. Wait until the spaghetti is wiggly. For the sauce, first chop the garlics and cut the sausages into cubes. Add some oil into the frying pan. Put the chopped garlics. Wait until you can smell the garlic's aroma. Put in the sausages. Mix it. And then add a can of Prego cheese and herbs. Add a cup of water. And add salt depending on your taste. And then you're done. Thanks for watching. This is the shortest cooking video I've ever made. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And happy berbuka and happy Ramadan. So bye bye.